If you're introverted with traces of low self-esteem, low confidence, timidity, shyness, and prefer to stay on the background instead of showing your face due to fear of being mocked and judged, this video is for you. Welcome to Ignite channel. I am Happiness Gideon Akemome. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two methods that will help you in overcoming and conquering low self-esteem, low confidence, and the feeling of shyness and timidity. The second method is very important, especially step number 3. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Low self-esteem and low confidence is a thing of the mind. For you to conquer it, you have to work on your mind. There are various methods that are used to conquer low self-esteem, low confidence, the feeling of worthlessness, and so on. One of the methods is what I would call mental restructuring. Mental restructuring simply means replacing your past negative experiences and traumas with positive and good experiences, which will indirectly build up positive thoughts that will boost your self-esteem, your confidence, and take you out from being shy to being the outspoken, highly inspired, and motivated person. The two major techniques in this method is listening to positive affirmations and meditation. Listen to positive affirmations daily, if possibly first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed. One thing that you need to know is that what we constantly hear have a way of building up our mind to reflect in our thoughts and in our actions. The more you listen to these positive affirmations, the more you meditate on them and affirm them to yourself, the more it reflects in your thoughts and then in your actions. I'll be explaining the second method with these 4 steps that I'll be sharing with you. The first step is to acknowledge that there is a problem, because if you do not acknowledge that there is a problem, there is no way that you will open up your mind to accept transformation, to accept healing from all those past traumas and negative experiences. The second step is identifying those problems that are constantly making you to feel that way. It could be due to the way you dress, the way you talk, or body language, your body posture, and so many other things. Now, the third step after identifying those problems and lapses is working on those problems and all those things that you have identified one after the other. The fourth one is to work on your style. This style is something that I basically mentioned in almost all my recent videos. The way you dress cannot be overemphasized. The way you dress have a way of influencing your confidence. It have a way of boosting the way you feel. There's a popular saying that you dress the way you want to be addressed. If you want to be addressed as a queen, as a king, you dress as a royal. People will treat you and see you the way you treat and see yourself. If you see yourself and treat yourself as trash, people will see you and treat you as such. So believe that you are worthy of greetings, believe that you are a royal, believe that you are a great person, act like it, dress like it, and you will find people treating you exactly that way. Constantly work on becoming a better you every single day, because that is the only way that you can ignite that light inside of you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And please do not forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family.